In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Menyoo mod Menyoo in GTA 5. First, you want to open Google, and here you want to type the name of the mod. So it's Menyoo mod. So if you hit enter, you're going to find this one. It's called Menyoo 2.0, and it's from the website GTA 5 mods. So if you open it, it should look like this. Now you're gonna click download, and here click download. So as this downloading, you want to go to another website now and type in script hook v, and you want to go to this website that says devc.com, and here you will have to download this. And then you're gonna click download. So now you're gonna go to the GTA 5 directory. So mine is in this folder. It's in GTA 5 enhanced. This is the directory. So now you're gonna need to go to your downloaded folders. So I'm gonna go there, downloaded. So here I have the script v, so I'm just gonna open it. Then here inside of bin, I'm gonna copy the DLL, all of the DLL files here. I'm gonna click copy, and I'm gonna paste them inside of the GTA 5 folder. So here, paste. And now I'm gonna go to the other folder that I downloaded, which is the Menyoo one. This is the one. I'm gonna open it, and here I'm gonna see these two folders, Menyoo staff. I'm gonna click on it, and Menyoo.asi. I'm gonna make sure I copy both of them, and I'm just gonna paste them in the GTA folder, and paste. Okay, now once you do this, you want to launch the game. So you want to open Epic Games, and over here if you go to the library, you will see GTA 5. So before you open it, you want to make sure you go to these three dots, click on them, and click manage, and make sure you switch on launch options, and make sure you write this in the launch options. It's dash no battle I. Once you write this, now you can launch the game. Okay, so once you're in the game, to activate the mode, you want to press F8, and here you have the mode options. So now you can basically just spawn whatever you want. So I can just show you an example. Like here's like just some modes here, and let's say vehicle options. There's like there's plenty of options. So yeah, like you can play with this as much as you want. And that's it. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe.